Almost every single class that's required for my major has two parts. It has the in-class sort of theory-based learning and then a lab that's associated with it. So I'm in this room or any of the other rooms in the department, spending lots of time in there applying the theory that we learn and actually seeing it in action. I think as engineers, a lot of us really enjoy building and creating, and so that's like totally enjoyable to just come to the lab and apply our knowledge that way. Took a digital signal processing course, and I spent an entire semester in this room working with a little ARM Cortex board, doing signal processing, learning lots of theory and applying it every week on that board, troubleshooting and developing code. Every senior design group gets their own dedicated space. We get keycard access with your student ID. You just scan in the door, it unlocks, and you have your own space. We had a couple of big desks to lay out all our stuff and just have some place where all of our group members, we had 6 people coming and going from that lab working on everything. There's a student collaboration center, which is great. Pretty much anyone in the department has keycard access to that. You can sit down, use any of the test equipment, take parts from the bin and assemble things and test your circuits. It's pretty easy and nice to just build and create and do whatever you want. I think it really just solidifies the learning and the knowledge in your mind, because just reading it out of a book is one thing, and memorizing equations and whatnot is for sure one thing, but coming to the lab and putting the parts together and taking measurements and seeing it in action is like really creating a deeper understanding.